good day. So I am here currently in the part of the higher hill part of Celestial Garden in Banawa, Cebu City. Then currently that it just rained like last night or 2 days ago, so that's why the soil here is a bit moist or wet. While this part where the sun is directly shining on this part of the ground, so it's not that moist or wet anymore, so it's dry, so it's not that humid. So in the part that is where there is a bit wetness from the rain, it's a bit humid. So during June or month of June in the Philippines, it's rainy, so that's why some parts of the hill is a bit humid. But if we want some windy parts like fresh air here, is that we will just go to the part that is where the sun is shining, like this part here, this one. So during my vlog during the summer months in the Philippines, like March and April, is the sun was so hot at that time, so that's why I was there on the lower parts of the hill. So right now I am currently here in the upper part of the hill. So okay, so time checks around 2 p.m. in the afternoon here in the Philippines. So this one, you can see the beautiful view from the upper part of the hill, the view of the city. Look, a 1 peso coin, but I'm not going to pick that up because there's this superstition or mystery that those belong to the dead. So if it's a 1,000 pesos or 100 pesos, I'm going to pick it up because it's a bill. Because the superstition is only until the coin. Or in Bisaya or Tagalog is barya. Sa Bisaya, sinsilyo. And in Tagalog, barya. So okay, let's try to go to the lower parts of the hill. So to see that how's the soil there after the rain. So is it that really wet? Because I'm here in the upper part of the hill because it's not that hot anymore since the summer months of the month of Philippines is only the month of May. So in the month of May is that there's a lot of process that I did. So it's more fun. When it's more fun is I can just take pictures compared to doing videos, because doing videos is that it takes a lot of time to put the subtitles and edits.